Heather here from ZFam Mama, and I just got my Young Living Essential Rewards order for January. So you're here with me as I start to open it. I'm very excited. Okay, truth is, I don't remember what I ordered, so we'll see. I think I ordered a cinnamon bark, actually. All right, paperwork out. All right, here we go. I love this. This is my favorite time of the month. Cinnamon bark. That's what I get to put in my chais. And Digize. This is a great one. Actually, I think I got this one free this month. Yes, this is a promo. This is a great one for anybody. Sorry, I've got a hair in my mouth. Okay. Great for belly aches. Great for rubbing on your stomach when you've eaten a meal that's like, oh, that did not agree with me. Too much fried food. Too much just, I don't know if you ever have those combination meals and you're like, oh, I should not have eaten all that different stuff. This is awesome to put on the stomach and rub it in, or if you're brave enough, a drop on your tongue. Within like 10 minutes, your stomach starts feeling better, if not completely better. All right, next to copaiba. This is one my family uses. Yes, my daughter behind the camera gal. What do you guys use this for?
And inflammation. Yeah, swelling, calming, super calming.
This is one of your favorites, right, Kayla?
Great for
I don't really use copaiba, but
you don't.
I do know it works really well.
Okay. Big lavender. This oil, I have to tell you, I did not like lavender. I was so sick of smelling everywhere you went with any kind of oils. It was lavender, lavender, lavender. Lavender scent, I get headaches. It was miserable. Well, I started using this when my son was in the hospital and I got like a spot on my face. And so I rubbed it on there. I'd rub it on my feet. Oh my goodness. Fell in love with this. So that's why I now have a huge bottle of lavender. Okay, that's empty. Oh, speaking of, I have samples. So if you're local, let me know if you want to give it a try, and I will give you a sample of lavender. And I'll be getting more samples next month, but, oh, what?
I didn't even know those existed. What is that?
Yeah. Okay, so this is a roller bottle. Yes, this is my new perfume. So this is a little special treat this month for me. Behind the camera, what, you like it too?
Oh, I love stress oil.
Do you?
Yeah.
Well, my daughter's birthday's tonight, so let's just put a little on, although I have cupcake on my arm there. Oh, that's nice. And it's all done. It's in the roller bottle ready to go instead of having to do a drop and rub it on. Yay! That's fun. I don't know who will use this. It's a 2019 Young Living calendar. Isn't that fun? It was so cheap I had to get it. I thought, oh, how fun would that be? So that is my order this month. Hey, comment down below. Let me know if you're interested in ordering oils, or click over to my other video where I talk about Young Living, and you can just click on my member number and I'll take you right to the website. You can get yourself a starter kit, or just get yourself with the basic oils. Just get going on which ones you would like. So thanks for watching. See you next month.